Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to disable automatic dubbing on YouTube videos. So to disable automatic dubbing on your YouTube videos from your PC, you need to first launch any web browser, then go to youtube.com and log into this specific account. After that, you need to go ahead and click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then select YouTube Studio. Go ahead and select it. Once the page loads, hover over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings from the bottom left corner of your screen. From here, go to the channel option that is between General and Upload Default. Then after, open the Advanced Settings, scroll down, and there you'll see the section of Automatic Dubbing. If you want to go ahead and enable this setting, go ahead and click on this option. Otherwise, to disable, simply click on Disable if it is enabled in your account. Then click on Save from the bottom of this menu and you'll be done. This will disable automatic dubbing in your videos. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.